Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Apple TV 4K 2025 is shaping up to be one of the most exciting upgrades in the streaming world, and if the leaks and rumors are true, this could be Apple's biggest leap forward in years. From a blazing fast new chip to AI-powered features, next-level gaming, 8K HDR streaming, and even deeper smart home integration, Apple is positioning its next Apple TV as more than just a streaming box. It's becoming the centerpiece of your living room. Now, if you've been following the tech world, you already know that streaming devices are evolving fast. Amazon is pushing its Fire TV lineup, Roku is fighting for dominance, and Google is expanding Chromecast and Google TV. But Apple, as always, is aiming higher. The 2025 Apple TV 4K is rumored to bring not just incremental improvements, but features that could genuinely change the way we consume content. I end today's video. We're diving deep into everything you need to know about the Apple TV 4K 2025, including the latest leaks, detailed rumors, the expected specs, and the top 10 features that could redefine streaming in your home. We'll also talk about the possible release date, pricing details, and how it stacks up against competitors. By the end of this video, you'll know whether Apple TV 2025 is worth waiting for, or if you should just grab a current model now. But before we jump in, I want to know what you think. Are you currently using Apple TV? Or are you on Roku, Fire Stick, or maybe a Google Chromecast? Drop your answer in the comments below. I'll be responding to as many as I can. And don't forget to hit that like button if you love Apple leaks, and subscribe to stay updated on everything Apple and tech in 2025. Introduction. Hype around Apple's 2025 lineup: streaming wars, context, Roku, Fire Stick, Google TV, etc. Apple TV 4K 2025 leaks and rumors: hardware changes, chipset, RAM, GPU, Wi-Fi 7, etc. Software upgrades, tvOS AI, Apple Intelligence integration, design rumors, expected specs, processor A17 Pro M series, RAM and storage options, Wi-Fi 7, HDMI 2.2, Bluetooth 6.0, gaming support, Apple Arcade, AAA titles via cloud audio, Dolby Atmos, lossless, spatial audio, smart home hub, upgrades, Matter Thread 2.0, 10 features, next-gen A series, M series chip, AI-powered tvOS, Apple Intelligence, pro-level gaming support, 8K HDR, and better Dolby Vision immersive audio, upgrades, smart home integration, boost iPhone Mac ecosystem synergy, Wi-Fi 7 ultra-fast streaming, enhanced privacy and security, compact, new design, eco-friendly materials. Release date patterns from past launches, likely announcement event, Apple September event, 2025 spring event. Price, current Apple TV 4K pricing, expected price increase with new chip and features. Future of Apple TV and ecosystem, role in Apple's ecosystem, Apple Vision Pro, HomePod, iPhone, Mac, expansion into AR/VR, gaming, streaming dominance. So there you have it, the Apple TV 4K 2025 leaks, rumors, specs, and features we know so far. If even half of these leaks are true, we're looking at one of the biggest upgrades to Apple's streaming box in years. From a powerful new chip and AI-driven tvOS features, to 8K HDR support, pro-level gaming, and smarter home integration, the 2025 Apple TV could easily become the most advanced streaming device on the market. Of course, until Apple officially announces it, we'll have to wait and see which of these rumors actually make it to the final product. But one thing is clear: Apple isn't just making a streaming device anymore, it's building a hub that ties together your entertainment, your smart home, and even your gaming experiences. Now, I want to hear from you. Which rumored feature are you most excited about? Is it the new chip, the 8K support, or maybe the gaming side of things? Let me know your thoughts in the comments below. And if you enjoyed this breakdown, make sure you give this video a thumbs up, subscribe if you haven't already, and share it with someone who loves Apple leaks as much as you do. We've got more deep dives coming on Apple's 2025 lineup, including iPhone 16, Apple Watch Ultra 3, and maybe even the next-gen MacBooks, so you won't want to miss those. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Until then, stay tuned, stay curious, and keep enjoying your tech.